Coverage you can count on begins with an Aiken County man being charged with 2 counts of voyeurism. According to an arrest warrant, 68-year-old Rhett Revere secretly recorded people staying in several of his rental properties. I spoke with the victim's attorney, who says her clients weren't the only ones.
They're horrified. They're traumatized. They feel violated. They are seeking counseling.
The ultimate betrayal is what Deborah Barbier is calling these acts. She represents 2 people who were allegedly being recorded by this man, Rhett Revere, during their stay at a rental property.
I'm involved in another civil case, and I represent another victim in this matter who brought a lawsuit last year. And she found out in 2019 that she had been the victim of Mr. Rivera, that she had stayed in one of his rental properties. And she found out a few months later that there were videotapes of her undressing.
Barbier and 2 other attorneys representing that victim filed for a motion to examine electronic devices SLED seized from Revere's home. Barbier says what they found on those devices was heinous.
There are thousands of videos. There are, we believe, many victims. There are videos of people undressing, videos of people having, sexual relations. There are videos of people in the bathroom, and there are videos of people who are very young girls.
Whether or not these videos were shared online is still in question. Barbier tells me 68-year-old Revere owned several properties throughout Aiken in a boat that he would rent out through Airbnb.
Other people rented them directly through Mr. Rivera or referred by realtors.
Both victims are currently suing Airbnb. Barbier says a large amount of footage was found in Rivera's home spanning back decades. Barbier and her team are working to get the word out about this case. They want to hear from anyone who thinks they may have stayed in one of Rivera's properties.
We're trying to identify victims. It's a very time-consuming process. As I said, there are a lot of videos, and so we are doing everything that we can to make sure that anybody that was violated or anybody's a victim has, the opportunity to be notified.